In today's video, we will be talking about 14 banned gadgets you can still buy on Amazon. 14. RFID-NFC Skimmer. This device is useful in capturing and cloning various data. It is just like those used in factories and large companies. The data of their employees can be gathered with this device from a distance of about 3.3 feet, depending on the card. There are a lot of options available, and the only limit is your imagination. Fortunately, it doesn't work with bank cards. It is priced at around $100. 13. Electromagnet with remote control. This is a magnetic system that hides parts of your license plate to avoid getting a ticket. It hides them effectively and is big enough to cover up 2 symbols. The manufacturers are very inventive. They created these metal sheets, and many magnet modules have the perfect thickness to fit behind the license plate frame. It can be controlled remotely. The price is about $33. 12. Multipick Kronos. Have you been in a situation where you lost your keys and you need to open the door in a hurry, but the door is jammed? With a tool like this, you can easily solve this problem. This has an electric lockpick with a 29 milliamp-hour battery, enough to be used for 2 hours of continuous operation. It weighs about 12.3 ounces and can easily fit in your pocket. The manufacturers claim that this is a professional tool and the potential is revealed through training. That's why it comes with additional needles to help you practice. It costs $270. 11. Emergency strobe lights. The emergency strobe light is another system for vehicle owners. It's just like those used by police officers. The characteristic blue and red lights come in different versions and are powered by cigarette lighter socket. The prices vary depending on the number of diodes and settings. A variant with 4 diodes will cost you $30. Interestingly, many dealers promise a higher number of lighting nodes. Some offer about 26 lighting modes, making them suitable for municipal services. 10. Destruct USB device. Manufacturers of various devices have made some quite interesting products, like this flash drive. They are designed to wipe off all data from hard drives quickly and safely. According to the manufacturers, the flash drive offers military-grade wipes and ease of use. The flash drive can be used in various situations. For example, you can use it to erase all the information on your laptop in case you want to sell it. There's a 2-minute-long video tutorial to help you understand how it works. In addition, the device is compatible with most laptops and PC products after 2000. It costs $47. 9. GSM Jammer. The GSM Jammer can be used in a wide variety of venues, from classrooms to concert halls. The device generates white noise, which is a signal that contains no information. Depending on the version you have, the device can block GSM, GPS, 3G, and Wi-Fi signals. The GSM Jammer can be built at home. For those who cannot make it themselves, you can buy production models from different websites. A Chinese website offers them for about $30. 8. Midzu Spy Glasses. These spy glasses cost about $40. As a bonus, the seller gives you a 16GB memory card which you can use to record a video for up to 10 hours. The system that comes with these glasses is capable of recording at 1920 by 1080 pixels and 30 frames per second. The glasses film an AVI and automatically cuts the video into 10-minute fragments. The glasses weigh 1.2 ounces and a charge lasts up to 15 minutes. It is compatible with Linux and Windows. The manufacturers claim their gadget will be useful as a dash cam or a baby monitor. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you are loving the content. 7. Flipper Zero. This gadget looks like a video game console, but this is not a childish device. Flipper Zero allows you to control smart home systems like gates and barriers at a distance of up to 164 feet. It can also register, store, and emulate touch memory keys and control TVs and air conditioners. The gadget is also designed for everyday use. It supports microSD cards up to 64 GB, and when it is fully charged, you can use it for a whole week. The price starts at $119. 6. Pocket Chip. This is a compact computer, which has been labeled as the Raspberry Pi killer by some websites. In 2019, the Pi Killer sales hovered around 30 million units, but it is still unclear whether the Pocket chip will reach that figure too. For just $50 or $60, the manufacturer offers 512 GB of RAM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4 GB of storage and 1 GHz processor, a USB port, and an AV output that can be used for a TV. The device is fully portable and it works on Linux. It also comes with a keyboard, battery, and screen. In addition, you can buy the board separately for $9 and then change it to suit your needs. 5. Wi-Phone. This device looks like an old phone with buttons, but it is a gadget for people who love hacking, anonymity, and independence. It is compact and lightweight. It weighs only 3 ounces. Inside, there are some very interesting features. You don't need a SIM card to make calls. Just get a SIP account and any suitable platform, connect to the Wi-Fi network, and talk as long as you want. Also, the device uses a very versatile daughter board that you can expand and turn into a music studio. The phone has a battery life of about 8 hours and the buttons are programmable. The price starts at $90. 4. SWNN High Power Blue Pointer. This laser pointer should be handled with great care. It could be dangerous if it is in the wrong hands. It is powerful enough to burn a hole in a shirt, so it is not a toy. It can be used when you are hunting or hiking. It can also be used for stage lighting with a range of about 5 to 6 miles. The laser pointer can be useful as an alarm signal. The beam thickness can be flexibly adjusted. It comes in different operating modes. It is recommended to wear protective goggles and ensure you keep the device away from children. 3. License Plate Hider. This gadget allows you to cover your license plate number with a curtain. You can also replace one plate with another. It takes about 15 minutes to install the gadget. They are quite affordable. On some websites, you can get them for $50. According to a review, it is a cool gadget until you get caught. 2. D-Stike D-Author Watch. This watch reminds us of bombs and detonators from Hollywood movies. It works like a usual smartwatch with custom firmware, games, and other content available. The most interesting feature of this watch is its ability to check how well protected the available Wi-Fi networks are. For example, the watch allows you to effect a hacker's attack. First, you need to check the available Wi-Fi hotspot, then select the access point. Once you have done that, you can now disconnect all devices from it. The watch can be operated from your computer without taking it off your wrist or pocket. The price is $50. 1. Lawmate CM-TC10. This is a camera hidden in a tie clip. The video has a resolution of 640 by 4 racy pixels, and the viewing angle is about 60 degrees. It is also very durable. That's why the gadget works in temperatures ranging from 140 to -4 degrees Fahrenheit with 90% humidity. The manufacturers suggest you use this device in wireless mode or combine it with a portable dash cam. There are several series available on their website, and the price is $200.